Hey traders, welcome back to Smartino FX, your go-to channel for smart, legal, and profitable Forex trading in the United States. Today we're diving into a big question that many new traders ask. Should I quit my job to trade Forex full-time? Stick around, because this is the United States reality check you need before making that decision. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our weekly Forex insights, strategies, and United States trader tips. Let's be honest. The idea of quitting your 9-to-5 job, making thousands a week trading Forex from your laptop sounds amazing. But here's the truth. In the United States, where Forex is tightly regulated and realistic leverage is capped at 50-to-1, this dream requires more than just passion. It requires a plan, experience, and capital. So can you legally trade Forex full-time in the US? Yes, you can. But unlike other countries in the US, you must use CFTC and NFA-regulated brokers like Forex.com, Awanda, and IGUS. Okay, so this means there's no high leverage. 50-to-1 is the maximum on major pairs. You also won't find any bonus schemes, and yeah, you've got full tax reporting requirements to handle. Now, let's talk about how much capital you really need. This is where, honestly, most people get it wrong, so let's break it down together. If your goal is to make $3,000 a month, and you're risking just 1% per trade, you're going to need an account size of at least $30,000 to $50,000 to trade safely. And here's why. Forex just isn't a get-rich-quick game. It's really about preserving your capital while aiming for consistent, realistic returns. For experienced traders, that's usually around 3 to 10% per month. Here's the hard truth. Most people who quit their jobs too early end up blowing their accounts. Why? Well, they trade out of desperation, they over-leverage, and honestly, they have no backup income. And they haven't proven consistent profitability over at least 6 to 12 months. Full-time trading should be a business decision, not an emotional one. So, are you consistently profitable for more than 6 months? Do you have at least 6 to 12 months of living expenses saved up? Do you have a tested, rule-based trading strategy? Are you emotionally disciplined under pressure? And do you understand U.S. tax obligations for Forex traders? If you answered no to any of these, don't quit yet. Just keep building. Here's what I recommend. Start part-time first. Alright, so here's what I recommend if you're thinking about making trading your full-time gig. First, start trading part-time while keeping your job. Next, make sure you build a solid trading journal. Trust me, it's super important. Grow your account slowly. Don't rush things. Treat trading like a skill, not just a side hustle. And reinvest your profits until your trading income matches or even exceeds your job salary for at least 6 months. That's when you'll know it's safe to consider going full-time. So, should you quit your job to trade Forex full-time in the United States? Maybe one day, but not until you're truly ready. Trading can set you free, but only if you respect the process and protect your capital. If this video gave you some clarity, go ahead and like it. And hey, comment below. Would you ever quit your job for trading? Why or why not? Make sure you subscribe to Smartino FX for United States-focused Forex tips, realistic trade reviews, and strategies for financial freedom. Quick disclaimer here, this content is for educational purposes only. It's not financial advice. Always trade with proper risk management.